All right, so essentially this is my first day doing the basically, what do you call this, prop firm, working with the prop firm, trade the pull prop firm. So today I signed up last Thursday, but today was the first day. I took a few trades. So this is basically a small account challenge. Profit target to get funded is $1,800. Max drawdown $900, and I have a total of 30 trades to do so. So today wasn't a really good day, as I was 1 for 3, 1 for 4. But we'll take a look at that, and yeah, lost about $100. Daily drawdowns only 300, so I gotta be real careful with my losses. First trade I'll journal is the DWAC. Had a very strong move today. However, this is one of the stocks that did not work for me. So, I was a bit annoyed that I missed the trade earlier. I don't know if it was this opportunity or another trade. I don't remember, but because of that, I was a bit emotional, and I took a trade here, which I don't think was that good of a entry. Looking back on it, so I was just hoping that the 9 would hold as it crossed back above here, and I was hoping the 20 would hold. But once I realized it was struggling to get above here, I knew I may be in trouble. Now, I did get stopped out here. I wish I could have given it a little bit more wiggle room, but no, just to protect my losses and try to, complete this challenge so I could get funded. I'm gonna try to be real careful with my losses. But yeah, I like this action, but it wasn't strong enough for me to want to jump in here, but I did anyways due to some emotions. But here wouldn't have been a bad place to get in, though, given how it does this W action, and basically whatever this EMA is starts to hold, and I could have based my risk off of that, or based it off the 20 again, but yeah, this would have been a good entry. Exit on the VWAP. If the stock goes below VWAP, this would have been another solid entry. However, I would have been concerned about this level here, given that big old topping tail. So even though not a bad area to get in, it's kind of risky. Would have been kind of risky given that there's limited potential, resistance right here, and so there wouldn't be much profit for that. But yeah, sucks. That was the first loss. And then I got into this one. This one was iffy. Not the best setup. Oops. Where am I at? Okay, so this another stock that I wish it was stronger, but this stock was okay, I guess. Not the best it didn't set up because I don't think it had enough strength, enough bulls. But oh yeah, I decided to take it on the bounce of the 9, and it just volume left, wouldn't really move here. So once it started struggling on this 9, I realized I probably should just get out, but I just held on and got stopped out right here. Kept my stop fairly tight, didn't lose too much on this one, but nonetheless, I should have exited early given the type of chart it is and how there was just not that much volume here. Like all the volume left right after I got in, so, or right before I got in, so didn't like that trade too much. And here's the long-term chart. You know, if the bulls really came in like I originally thought, you know, thought maybe this can go to 16, 17 bucks. But okay, that's an L. Now this stock had a really good setup. This is the one winner I had, and I should have loaded up with a lot of shares, like 10 times as many shares as I did. This is exactly what I want to see, but I was just kind of scared given that it's a sub-dollar stock. I'm not that comfortable trading stocks such a low price, but I did end up buying a couple thousand shares. And I think, what did I do? I tried to buy here, actually, yeah. I tried to buy here, but I messed up on my order. So I only got one share, and I just went ahead and closed that. Once I realized I only had one share, the stock was already moving up, so I'm not gonna count that. One share on what, 25 cents, 30 cents. I'm not gonna count that. So stock came back down, bounced off to 20 now. I was a little concerned that basically it had a double top here, but I decided, hey, it's a low risk. I can exit that if stock goes below 20, and it held to 20 just like I like it. No lower wick, just straight off to 20. So I decided, yeah, I could probably get in. I got in as the next candles traded above this one. Decided I'm going to exit around this area, previous high, as my first target, which was right on this candle right here. And then I had 500 shares left, and exited right at the top of this level here. Now, had I loaded up like I wanted to, I would have probably took off half. I was being too conservative, but I should have loaded up and bought maybe 10 to 15,000 as opposed to the 2,000 shares I did have, and I could have kind of rode this wave a bit and double, triple my money easy by just letting it rise. So this is the type of stock I want to see. This is the type of stocks, or not the type of stock, but the type of setup that I need in order to successfully pass this challenge. So I can get funded. Long trends like this. It's going to help me get to $1,800. I just need to really do a better job at recognizing the setup. Stay more disciplined, not taking bad setups, and that's what these other trades were, just anxious and to take something. So I gotta avoid at least this one was, I should have never took this trade, but the other two, this one I can accept. But yeah, these big gains could easily help me get to my $1,800 mark and successfully win the challenge. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow's focus would be just, I'm gonna try to focus on just 1 or 2 trades. Typically on any given day, there's no more than 3 setups for the type of trading that I do. So I just gotta remind myself that, stay disciplined, don't get anxious if there's no trade. Like Friday, I didn't take any trades. There was only 1 potential setup that day for me, and I just was too scared, so I stayed away from it. Tomorrow's focus, stay disciplined. If I miss a trade, it's okay. I need to live to fight another day and not risk reaching my daily drawdown or maximum drawdown. That is all for my journal.